Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fibocan. As you are aware, we are into the business of enabling wealth. How do we enable wealth? Through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling our students and investors to make their own investment decisions through our training, mentoring and technology products and solutions support. In every video, we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when and how it will happen. Which is why I request everyone to watch the video till the end, click the bell icon, encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. Today is April 20, 2023, Thursday, option expiry. So first we will see the levels, then we can go into the discussion. So BankNifty closed at 42,269.50, 0.27% up, while Nifty remained flat at 17,624.50. Before we go into the analysis, the same request I make. Our educational videos are fully available now, English as well as in English. Request everyone to watch. Encourage your friends and known person and students above the age of 18 to watch the video because it's very useful and it will enhance their knowledge. So Nifty and BankNifty, what did it happen? Before we go into the analysis and discussion, what is the level that we told yesterday? If you recollect, we had given a support and resistance, right? Support we had given, resistance for BankNifty we had given at 42,687, which is the daily upper band. We said that it will not go above there, right? And on the support we said that 41,074, which is the 20-day exponential moving average, that will act as support. Likewise for Nifty, what did we say? We said the 100 DMA is a very strong resistance for it, which is at 17,861 levels. For the Nifty, we said that in spite of all these negative and other things was going down, we said that Nifty has strong support at 20-day exponential moving average, which is at 17,502. So where did Nifty and BankNifty close today? 42,269.50. That was BankNifty. Nifty 17,624.50. In fact, the last few days we have been telling about the levels, and BankNifty Nifty is operating within the levels that we had given. That is the power of technical analysis. Anyway, coming back to the topic for discussion. So BankNifty and Nifty, as I said, there was some short covering I had expected today. Precisely that is what had happened. That is why you saw Nifty, BankNifty going up 0.25%, while Nifty remaining more or less flat. So why we are expecting that? What we are expecting going forward? What we are expecting this week, after a significant up move, tomorrow is the weekly closure and we expect it to close, open, gap up and form a kind of a hanging man type of a candle. So it can be construed in two ways. One, it can be considered as a reversal because it is above the middle band, Bollinger middle band in the weekly chart, and the weekly chart will pull it, the middle band will pull it down, but sometimes it can be a continuation candle also. So how do we know whether it is a continuation or it is going to pull back, right? We cannot operate in dark. When we are for weekly, we have to go for daily, right? And also sync it with monthly. Hence, an analysis, comprehensive analysis is required, which is what I do. That is what I am sharing in this video. So when I analyze all those things, what I feel is that in the monthly chart, it is BankNifty is well above the previous month's high. Same is the case with Dow Jones and S&P, while Nasdaq is below the previous month's high. Same here, Nifty is below the previous month's high. But what I find is that Nifty is not getting good support because Reliance is not supporting. Tomorrow Reliance results are going to be out. If it is going to be good, probably next week Reliance might support. Then HDFC Twins, okay, once again it moved sideways. Probably next week it is going to support Nifty and BankNifty respectively. And of course, HDFC Bank will support both the indices. ICICI Bank also, the first reversal it happened last Monday it formed. If you recollect, I said that it's a very powerful reversal, but first reversal to be ignored. Because of such a powerful reversal, the prices for all these stocks are coming as close as to the middle band, but there it is taking support at the exponential moving average. 10, 20 exponential moving averages are acting as very strong support for these individual components. All these things together, probably we can see sideways tomorrow also, and Monday we can see sideways. Then the last 3 or 4 days, because if you recollect, if you see next week 27th Thursday is option expiry and 28th is the last working day for the month of April. So month normally a significant up move or down move will happen. So what we feel, looking at the technical components and other things, we can expect a good rally in the next week. However, all depends on how it closes tomorrow and the opening it forms on Monday. So that determines the exact moment. If that is going to be relatively strong, I mean, it need not move up strongly. The base, if it forms showing that there is a bullish trend continuing, that's enough for the uptrend to continue. Alternatively, it can open gap down next week and come down towards the middle band in the weekly chart. If that happens, the up move will be arrested. So these are the two scenarios. There cannot be any third scenario, but the second scenario probability is relatively less. We have to see for confirmation tomorrow, because as a technical analyst, I believe in charts. What the charts are showing me, I read and I tell. So today that is the interpretation, and tomorrow's movement will give me and Monday's movement will be a confirmation. Okay, so that is what it is. So with all these things, Nifty once again today it didn't break below the 200-day moving average, which is at 17,587. That is also is giving me a strong belief and strong notion that the up move is intact while there is limited down move. That is what it is. Likewise, BankNifty is holding steadily. It didn't go even near the 5-week exponential, 5-day exponential moving average. Such is the power of BankNifty. In spite of weakness shown by many of these stocks. So HDFC and ICICI Bank, once they form the base, which I expect tomorrow on Monday to form, probably we can see the uptrend resuming in BankNifty, and Reliance, if it supports, probably yes, Nifty also will join the party. That is what the baseline is. So today, how did it close? Today not much of movement. As you can see, the prices are more or less at the similar for Nifty and BankNifty 0.27% up. Obviously it is at the same levels. Bandhan and SBI moved up by 1%. All others remained flat. Financial Shriram fell 2%, while IDFC and L&T Finance up by 1%. Insurance and card, SBI card fell 1%, LIC, HDFC Life 1% up, ICICI Pru 2% up. Oil and Telecom, Reliance flat, Bharti 1% up. Bharti, Monday it made a big downfall that it had overcome now. It has started showing upward trend. Okay, because in the monthly it opened a gap up after a gravestone doji that it formed in the month of March. IT, Infi, Intellect, LTIM, Emphasis fell 1%, LTTS fell 2%, TechM up by 1%. So TechM for long it is forming a rounding bottom. If it is able to hold these levels, probably once the IT starts reviving up, TechM will see a fantastic up move. But time is there. Caution now. Consumer goods, HUL, Nestle 1% down, ABFRL, Asian Paints 1% up, Bata Trend 2% up, Page 3% up. Automobiles, Eicher 1% down, TVS Motor 3% down, Ashok Leyland, Bharat Forge, Bharati, Motherson, Tata Motors all up by 1%. On the metals, Hindalco, JSW, National Aluminum, NMDC, SAIL, Vedanta down 1%, Jindal Steel up by 1%. Health and Pharma, Cipla, Dr. Reddy, Sun Pharma down 1%, Metropolis down 2%, Divi's down 4%, Thyrocare down 6%. In the others category, DLF fell 1% along with Godrej, Havels and IRCTC. Adani Ports, Delta Corp, IEX and Indigo up by 1%. With all these things, seeing tomorrow's movement and Monday how it forms, we'll be able to tell about the support and resistance level on Monday. And tomorrow we'll be putting our video, and Saturday, as always, we'll be putting our global market videos. Thank you very much.